Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you are a Twitch affiliate, your email and phone are verified, and 2FA is enabled. Once done, gather payout details like PayPal or bank info so monetization flows smoothly. Next, open Creator Dashboard and navigate to Preferences, then Affiliate Ads. This is where setup begins. You're taking action now. Don't stall on verification. Completing these first steps ensures Twitch can deliver ads and pay you correctly. So move to the dashboard and follow the prompts. Now you'll configure the detailed ad settings that control when and what viewers see. First, choose ad frequency. Pick manual ad slots if you want control or automatic midrolls for convenience. Both have pros and cons. Then set revenue and targeting options like regions and allowed ad categories so content matches your audience. Make sure to test streamer ad commands in a private stream or VOD to verify timing. Once configured, monitor initial results and tweak frequency and categories based on viewer feedback. Finish by launching a monitored stream and confirming ads run and payments are visible in your dashboard. Once live, watch analytics for impressions, RPM, and fill rate so you know baseline performance. If ads don't play, make sure 2FA and payout settings are intact. Verify your region targeting isn't blocking inventory, and ask viewers to disable ad blockers. If problems persist, restart the stream and retest a short segment. This one troubleshooting tip. Check ad blockers and region settings first, solves most delivery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.